Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in the Crew 2 game on PC. First thing you need to try is to restart your computer to clear any temporary glitches. Secondly, if you are using Ubisoft Connect, make sure to close Steam. Also, unplug any extra joysticks, controllers, and USB adapters connected to your PC. Then disable or uninstall any virtual controllers, like VJoy. Go to the Steam settings and disable or enable Steam input. Add the Crew 2 to your Steam library, and then add Ubisoft Connect to Steam. Launch the Ubisoft Connect from the Steam, and then start the Crew 2. If not, open Steam in big picture mode and launch the Crew 2 from there. If the wireless connection is unstable, your final solution is to use a wired controller. These steps should help you fix controller issues in the Crew 2 game on your PC. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.